What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight is a very special night. So there's this burger joint down my house. It's called Kellers, and every Saturday at 7 o'clock they have car shows. I believe tonight is the night they start back up. So obviously this video is before the tour of the truck, which I apologize about that. I've been busy lately, but we're upgrading the audio system. So right now I already have two 12-inch subs in the back. It is powered by a 300 watt Rockford. They're duals. The subs are duals. The amp is a Rockford. It is 300 watts, and they're being split off to, like, I'd say 130, 140 peak for each. We are getting rid of all of that, and we are upgrading with one 15-inch sub from ANX Audio with a 1,000 watt peak. We're gonna be kicking, man. That's gonna be the first big thing we do with this vehicle, and I cannot wait. But anyway, guys, we are getting close to the car meet. See you guys then. So basically I just took the wrong way to try to get there because it has been so long since I have been to this place. So let me take a little detour real quick, but lucky for you guys, we'll jump right into it here in a sec. One of my favorite places of all time. We got a few cars today, so we'll go around and we'll check them out, see what we can find. Ooh, going out with the Mustang. This Mustang, those are like the factory rims, everything. 350. Very nice, very nice.
I ain't seen it but one time. Go ahead.
Chevy Bel Air. This thing's amazing. What do we got here? Camaro. Oh my goodness. This thing. It's crazy. Very nice. Very nice. That is just crazy. People who restore these cars are just, goodness, dude. So air is the best.
You know that's the one with the big old tail. Move inside,
I want one of these so bad. It's like my favorite classic Chevy. That gauge cluster is LED. Ooh.
We all got it.
No, not at all, man. I take it as a compliment.
Whoa, what did we get? 2 Corvettes. Z06. Looks like it has adjustable fins. That's pretty cool. Can't tell if it has aftermarket exhaust or not. It's a carbon 6.5. Grand Sport. Oh yeah. Those cams are the best. Truck and I see this. Oh my god. Look at this thing. It's a Range Rover. Wow. This sucker's probably taller than my truck. Maybe. It's close. He's getting there. Normally this place is popping pretty good, but I don't know. Probably too cold. Looks like these guys are going to be about to head out. Oh yeah. Okay. Bags. Oh yeah, that's my favorite one right there. We don't have much of action here tonight. We'll definitely be back like during the summer sometime to see how popping they are. Right now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get some food from the place. Like I said again, we will be back to see if there's a lot more cars like later on down the month, maybe even during the summer. I don't know. It's pretty cold outside, so that's probably why there's not many people here. But anyway, guys, like I said, we're gonna get some food and we're gonna head home, and that'll basically be it. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay, before I end this video, you remember what I was talking about, that 15 sub in the truck before we went to the car mate? Well, guess what just came in? Here it is, guys. This is the 15 NVX audio subwoofer that I ordered online for the first project on the truck. I cannot wait to crack this open. I just can't wait to see how big this thing is and how new it actually looks. So let's go ahead and crack in it. I got my knife right here. So let's see what we got. Oh yes, I cannot wait. Oh. No way, dude. Oh, this is the VCW 152 5-inch subwoofer. Dang, this thing is huge. Got the instructions right here. Yeah, we know how to install them. At least I did. Oh my god. Damn. This thing is huge. I've never owned a 15-inch subwoofer like this before. This thing is massive. Just look at it. This thing weighs like 50 pounds. Ooh. That's nuts. Dude. Crazy. Well, here she is, guys. Let's get the plastic off and get a close-up shot. Bro. What? Look how big that is. Oh my god. Oh, I'm like opening a new toy. This is great. No way. And I got this for a deal as well, man. I got this for a deal. Oh my god. It smells so new. I've never had a new subwoofer before. That is pure steel, man. It's like almost getting a new rim for your car. That is the biggest magnet I've ever seen so far. Man, this is... Oh, I cannot wait to install this thing. I just cannot wait, man. There it is, the NVX 15-inch subwoofer. This thing can hold 1,000 watts. This is just crazy, guys. Waiting on is the actual sub box, which should be here next Tuesday coming up. That's what Amazon's been telling me. Once we get that here, we will finally make the install video. But I just wanted to reveal to you guys the new sub. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the car meet. We didn't get to shoot a lot because there wasn't that many cars, but you know, it's better than nothing. Anyway, guys, catch you guys later.